Iran has decided that continuing its control and ability to monetize the Strait of Hormuz, something we've talked about for months now, is more valuable to them than the maximalist terms that have been required by the United States. This, of course, is making Trump mad. He can't believe, he called them scum yesterday in his news conference, having called them kind of excellent people just about a week ago. He can't believe that they're not capitulating. But the regime in Iran is making a bet that the United States will not want to meaningfully escalate in the months ahead of the November midterms. And I think they're right.
Fed balance sheet expansion, global central bank balance sheet expansion was one of the main factors that suppressed risk premia, drove asset prices up, and allowed us to ignore many of these negative political developments.
We're sitting here at a time where, just to get to the other question, we're sitting here at a time where about 6 million barrels a day of oil can be rerouted. It'll take some time for more than that. And so we really could have a period well into next year before we have much scope of rebuilding the buffers that have been drawn down in this conflict.
Marine Le Pen is much more belligerent toward the European Union than Bardella was. She is infinitely more critical of the European Union, and she is far more Russia-friendly than Bardella was. So not only is she a more dangerous candidate, she's also, I think, a much more disruptive potential president of France.
We should never underestimate President Trump's ability to put himself on the winning side, right? And so he still wants to, he still kind of intuitively is aligned with Putin. But if it looks like Ukraine is winning, he's going to want to be part of that.
His ability to implement has been constrained, but his ability to threaten tariffs and to use them as a coercive tool has not been constrained.
The trust in the United States as an ally, as a NATO ally, has hit rock bottom in Europe.
It's not just the historical earnings, it's margins, and it's not just historical margins, which have expanded a lot in the tech sector, but it's the expectation of future margin growth, and not only in tech, but across the rest of the market as well. There's a mismatch between the really elevated expectations that you can see in market prices and all the money that companies across the board have been investing in this space, and then the returns that they've been managing to generate. Often they're a little bit disappointed.